Why does silence feel so uncomfortable? It's because silence forces people to face themselves. In a negotiation, the first person to speak usually loses. In a heated argument, the one who stays calm and silent retains the power. Psychologically, when you are silent, you become a mirror. You force others to fill the void with their own insecurities, their own secrets, and their own mistakes. By saying less than necessary, you appear more profound, more in control, and infinitely more dangerous to your enemies. The Stoic Masterclass, Mastering the Tongue. The Stoics, like Marcus Aurelius and Epictetus, practiced silence not as a lack of words, but as a presence of mind. They understood that every word you utter is a piece of yourself you give away. If you cannot control your tongue, you cannot control your life. Think about the last time you regretted saying something in anger. That was a moment where your emotions were in the driver's seat. Strategic silence is the gap between a provocation and a response. It is the armor that protects your inner peace from the chaos of the world. So, how do you use this? First, in a conversation, wait 3 seconds before responding. This simple habit makes you look thoughtful and gives you time to choose your words carefully. Second, when someone insults you, respond with total silence and a steady gaze. It is the most devastating response possible. And third, learn to be comfortable alone with your thoughts. If you can't stand 10 minutes of silence, you are a slave to distraction. The 99% will continue to chase noise. They will talk to feel important and shout to be seen. But you will build an iron mind. You will understand that your power lies in what you don't say. Master the silence, and you will master the world. If this resonated with you, subscribe to the Iron Mind. Stay disciplined, stay silent, stay strong.